你好，
你好，
我叫 Reza Alex，
我叫 Alex Chinese，这是我们的中国烹饪节目。第一，你洗手，
很会游。然后你到面粉在碗，
很好。第三，加 Go，开玩笑。第三，加糖。然后加水。
That's enough. That's enough. 然后很喝。Oh my god.
Too much water?
I don't know. Oh my god, it feels weird.
Hun how?
Actually, we need more water.
More water?
Yeah, this is too goopy. It needs to be like a dough.
Ranho, ja,
Shui.
shui, gung shui.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So now I can get everything and make it a good dough. Actually, that's a bit too much water now.
Seriously, Reza?
Just a little bit of flour. Just a little. It needs to be a dough. This is now, I don't know.
Ja, mian fen.
Alright, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now you can stop it.
Reza chu shi, zur hen hao fan.
Just do it like zoomed up. Han hao.
Di wu, ja, mimi chung fen. Cinnamon. How con? Reza, yours looks deformed.
My hands are all gooey.
Reza chu shi,
Han
boo
hao.
how con.
Han hao.
Alex chu shi how con. Jia se, lu se, huang se.
Han hao.
Ho, chow.
Han hao.
How con? Ooh, hen da. Hen shao. How con? The struggle.
Wow.
Zoiho, Chur Tong Yuan. Alex Chu Shur, Jueda, Budan, How Con, Urchia, How.
Reza Alex, Han hao.
Louis Chu Shur, Jueda, Hen How. It's over, Zai Qian.